Bring us the very best off-grid solar quote that you've received and watch us blow that quote out of the water, while we provide you with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand products.
Lights go out, but not for me. I'm powered up endlessly. Wires and meters are history. Sunlight's free and so am I. High electric bills say goodbye. DIY solar.com saves the day. Blackouts fade and bills go away. Power's mine in every way. DIY solar.com. Hey, hey, solar.com. Hey, hey, solar.com. Hey, hey, rooftop turn.
We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, and batteries in our DIY off-grid solar systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to lightning strikes and EMP exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency transformer-based inverters, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed IntegraRack ground-mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post-pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum.
DIY solar.com saves the day. Blackouts fade and drift away. Power's mine in